Hello friends, I am Aarti Kothavde, a lecturer from Aryan College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Camp Pune. As I have already discussed you about the meaning, definition and parties to the Bill of Exchange, as well as in the previous lecture I have explained in detail the types of bills of exchange. Today we are going to learn important part, that is the accounting treatment of bills of exchange. But before going to accounting treatment, we should know the classification of bills for accounting, means bills receivable and the bills payable. A bill of exchange is stated as bills receivable by the person who draws the bill. Bills receivable is an asset for the drawer, and a bill of exchange is treated as bills payable by the person who accepts the bill drawn on him, and it is a liability to the drawee. Then we can more understand with the help of this diagram that the treatment of bill of exchange by the drawer. There are four types, means retaining the bill till due date, means what? The bill retained with the drawer till the due date. It may get honored or may dishonored. Second, discounting the bill with the bank. Third, endorsing the bill to the creditor for settlement of account. And fourth one, sending the bill to the bank for collection. We are going to learn in detail one by one. So today we are going to learn the first one, retaining the bill till due date. What is exactly? The drawer can retain the bill till the due date. On the due date, he presents the bill to the drawee for payment, which can be honored or dishonored by the drawee. We can more understand, more clear with the help of this diagram. Means you have to see the arrows. See, the seller sells the goods on credit to the buyer. Then the drawer draws the bill on the drawee, and the drawee accepts the bill and sends it to the drawer, and that drawer becomes the holder. And that holder means the drawer presents the bill for payment, and the acceptor or the drawee honors the bill on due date. Here we complete our process, but we have to write it in our accounting form. So we are going to learn this accounting treatment. Now see, there is in the books of drawer as well as in the books of the drawee. We have to pass the journal entries simultaneously in both the books. Means what we have to do? We have to draw both the journal entries, both the books, and then see the first transaction. Creditor sells goods on credit. Means what? The goods sold on credit, and in the books of drawer, debtors account debit to sales account, and in the books of drawee, purchases account debit to creditors account. Means the being goods purchased on credit. Remember one thing, the sales is always credited and the purchases always debited. Then the second transaction, a drawer draws bill and acceptance received. Here, whenever a drawer draws bill, in the books of drawer, we have to debit bills receivable account and credit drawee's account. And in the books of drawee, the drawer's account debit to bills payable account. All of you understood? Then the third one, retain bill honored on due date. So whenever this bill gets honored, the drawer gets the amount of the bill, cash and bank account debit to bills receivable account. Being retained bill duly honored on due date, means he got the money on due date. And in the books of drawee, he makes the payment, that is why cash and bank credited and bills payable account is debited. So what is the journal entry? bills payable account debit to cash account. The fourth transaction is the retained bill dishonored on due date. Dishonored means what? Whenever a drawee doesn't make the payment of the bill on due date, it may get dishonored. So in the books of drawer, what we do? We will debit drawee's account and credit to the bills receivable account. And in the books of drawee, we will debit bills payable account and credit drawee's account. Then, retained bill dishonored on the due date and noting charges paid by the drawer. Now here, drawee's account debit to bills receivable account to cash account. So here we have credited cash account. Means what? These noting charges are first paid by the drawer and it will be borne by the drawee later on. That is why in the books of drawee, bills payable account debit, noting charges account debit to drawer's account. I hope you must have understood these transactions of retained bill till due date. Thank you very much.